Today, we're going to weld a flange on. We see this type of damage all the time. Gets a lot of parts thrown away, but it's pretty easy work with the DF Easy in 1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system. So let's start by cleaning it. Using a soap and water based cleaner. Never use solvent on plastic. Make sure you get this back edge cleaned all the way deep into the corner. A lot of grunge gets built up in there and you got to get it out of the way. Next step, let's tape it together. Now I'm going to weld the front first and then the back side, which is unusual. Usually I weld the back side first, but there is a reason you want to do this, and that is alignment. It's very critical to get your alignment of the flange 100%. And if you start on the outside, it's easier to gauge that and keep it flat. Next, I'm going to use a straight cut burr, 1/8 inch, cut a V groove all the way through my crack, extending about a 1/2 inch beyond. We're going to weld with 3mm round rod, running it deep into the V groove and into the crack. And at the end, I'm going to wrap it around and weld it into the inner side of the bumper for extra strength on the edge. Use the airless, blowing the nitrogen underneath it to work it into the groove so it's nice and flush. And we'll flip it over and we'll do the back side with the triangular rod. Okay, using a tapered bit, 3/8 inch tapered bit, I'm going to go ahead and remove the paint and debris and a little layer of plastic from the inside corner here. Okay, we're going to weld it with our 3mm triangular rod. Whenever using the triangular rod, one of the key things is to make sure that you're pushing the corner into the corner. If you need to work that in with the airless, you can if you need more clearance. But aside from that, you've got your flange welded back on nice and tight, little sanding and shaping, and you put it back on the car. Flange repair made easy with the DF Easy N1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welder from DentFix.